Assalamu alaikum. I am Tariqul Islam from Manikganj. Currently, I am third year student of Department of Textile Engineering. My average CGPA is 3.50, and I am passed my ASSC from the Gov Devendra College with GPA 4.58 out of 5 in 2020, and I have passed my SSC Shaturia Gov High School with GPA 4.67 out of 5 with and at 2018, and I am interested to learn about different types of skill like soft skill and technical skill. I am good in spoken English, and I am also good in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. And I am works with different types of organization and club like DIU Textile Club. I obtain different type of knowledge. As a student of Department of Textile Engineering, I needed to acquire knowledge and a higher degree initiative and strong presentation skill. Recently, I have worked with a project which was a excellent teamwork, and that's why for a reason I have badly needed a laptop, and I believe in myself, and I will be a professional textile engineer. That's all about my video resume. Thank you.